Vancomycin is an antibiotic used only against deadly infections. This is also called last line of defense, and this remains reserved by doctors. Only in special cases these antibiotics are prescribed or administered to the body of the patient. Okay, and this antibiotic is administered intravenously. Anyway, so this antibiotic was discovered in the year 1953 in a soil sample in Borneo jungle, and especially MRSA means Methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus. If this be the kind of infection, only against such infections this vancomycin antibiotic is prescribed by doctors. Yes, other cases are also there. In case of osteomyelitis, means bone infection. In case of carditis, that is infection of the heart valves. In case of Clostridium difficile bacterium, means in short this is called a C. diff. Clostridium difficile. Okay. So against such infections, this antibiotic vancomycin is often prescribed by doctors, and this remains reserved by doctors because these are used only in case of deadly infections which are not treatable by using common antibiotics. Okay, only in those cases. But there is a problem. In recent years, one which is called VRE, means Vancomycin-resistant Enterococci. This infection have emerged in recent years. So this has become challenging for the doctors also to treat such infections. Again, due to VRE, this spread very fast. So keeping the patient in hospitals is dangerous for the other patients. Okay, because this infection spreads very fast. Name is VRE, means Vancomycin-resistant Enterococci. That means vancomycin-resistant bacteria have already emerged. Okay, means in that case, vancomycin, this type of antibiotic, which is normally used against deadly infections, that antibiotic also fail against such infections. Yes, in recent years, pharmaceutical companies and the researchers or scientists together they have developed a new antibiotic called Vancomycin 3.0, which is engineered to be potent enough at least 1000 times than the normal vancomycin antibiotic. So research is going on in this field to develop new antibiotics, but this is quite challenging for the scientists and for the pharmaceutical companies. Anyway, how does it work? How does this vancomycin antibiotic work? That means how this antibiotic kills the bacteria. Mechanism is same. Same means here rupturing of the cell wall, and therefore the bacteria die. So the structure, it is made of peptidoglycan. There is such component, peptidoglycan. So what does the vancomycin antibiotic do? The vancomycin that binds with the specific building blocks of the cell wall known as peptidoglycan. Because vancomycin, this is considered as a glycopeptide antibiotic. So this antibiotic can bind to the specific building blocks of the cell wall of bacteria, and that way the rupture of the cell wall occurs. Means actually cell wall, the formation of cell wall remains incomplete. That way rupture occurs, weakened cell wall, therefore rupture occurs, and therefore the bacteria die. So this is the mechanism behind killing the bacteria. Okay, but is there any side effect of administering this antibiotic vancomycin? Yes, side effects are there. I have already posted a video on side effects. Side effects, only one was considered there, that is red man syndrome. Red rashes appear on your skin. Okay, if you want to know in detail everything about red man syndrome, then you may watch that video. Then other symptoms are also there, such as hearing loss or kidney damage. Okay, so these are side effects. There is a chance of kidney damage, okay, which is called nephrotoxicity. Then hearing loss is there. There is a chance of hearing loss. Okay, anyway, so problems are there. And everything should be decided only by the healthcare providers or the doctors. Whether this medicine, this antibiotic should be prescribed to the patient or not. But just keep in your mind that you do not take this medicine yourself. Do not decide to take this medicine yourself. Only against deadly infections or only in the last case. When other antibiotics fail, in that case this antibiotic is prescribed. Vancomycin is the name of the antibiotic. Okay, so this is not a common antibiotic. This is a kind of special antibiotic, and this is kept in the arsenal as the last weapon to use against deadly infections. So this was all about vancomycin and about specific infections such as osteomyelitis, cardiotitis. Okay, I'll make separate videos. Okay, in a single video discussing all the problems in detail is not possible for me. Okay, so this was an overall idea about the antibiotic vancomycin. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.